Okay, welcome back. The second session for today, we take up the classification of fruits. I hope what we've covered in the previous video right now has been understood properly. We covered what is a fruit, what are true fruits, what are false fruits, what are the parts of a fruit, what is a pericarp, what is a seed, right? We talked about these things there, right now. Now we talk about classification of fruit. Let's start. Now, fruits are classified into three. Right now, see, this is our topic of discussion. The type of fruits, the classification in the government textbook and in the NCRT is very, very, very minimal. Very minimal. Right now, but we are going to do a little extended version of it, please. Right, as I had sent across the small file for the extra information on inflorescence, we'll be doing the same for fruit also, the extra part on fruit also. Okay, so fruits are simple, aggregate, composite. Let's try to first understand what are these things, and then we go to the classification. Now, a simple fruit is the one which develops from a monocarpellary gynoecium. Right, monocarpellary if the flower has only one gynoecium. Right now, ये देखो one carpel, one ovary. Right now, ये सारे तो corolla calyx वगैरह है. Right now, so single carpel, or it can be a multicarpellary syncarpous gynoecium also. मतलब बहुत सारे carpels लेकिन fused भी हो सकते हैं. So either it is a monocarpellary gynoecium or a multicarpellary syncarpous fused gynoecium. Aggregate is developing from a polycarpellary apocarpus. Look at the diagram. Can you see that all the carpels are free of each other? Fused nahi hai na? So multiple carpels, all of them free from each other. So polycarpellary apocarpus gynoecium. And composite fruit develops from a complete inflorescence. अभी we have studied inflorescence the last part only. देखो, so ये उसका पेडंकल है और ये उसके इंडिविजुअल फ्लावर्स है, राइट ना? ये सिंगल फ्लावर है और उसमें बहुत सारे कार्पल है. ये पेडंकल पे पूरा इन्फ्लोरेसेंस है और इन्फ्लोरेसेंस पे ये सिंगल सिंगल फ्लावर है. प्लीज डू नॉट confuse yourself between the two. So simple comes from monocarpellary gynoecium or polycarpellary syncarpus. Aggregate comes from polycarpellary apocarpus gynoecium. And a composite fruit comes from complete inflorescence. So when an inflorescence develops into a fruit, then we say that fruit is a composite fruit. It can see the multiple fruits because a lot of flowers are there together. That's why. Okay. Okay. Now, simple fruits are further classified as dry and fleshy. Right? Remember pericarp, na? So pericarp agar dry hai, so we say it's a dry fruit. Right? Now things will start resonating. Dry fruit. Right? But when the pericarp is fleshy, right, it becomes a simple yet fleshy. Fleshy matlab it will be divided into, pericarp will be divided into the epicarp, mesocarp and endocarp. Dry में it will remain undivided. ये देखो pericarp is made up of epi, meso and endo. I'll take my marker here. Okay. And dry के अंदर I said pericarp is dry and undivided. Now, dry fruits, simple dry fruits are of three types, right? Indehiscent, dehiscent and schizocarpic. ये schizocarpic पे तो अपन चौकड़ी मारना, we are not going to study, right? ना खाली example अगर याद रहेगा तो बहुत, right? I have not put that in my presentation also. Dry, indehiscent and dehiscent. Dehiscence means opening up. When a fruit, right now, when the pericarp, when the fruit becomes mature and the pericarp opens up, we say it is a dehiscent fruit. And if that does not open up, it becomes a indehiscent fruit. Right? So dry में हमेशा याद रखना dehiscent and indehiscent. So whenever you have to refer, right now, let's say for example, I am asking you about a fruit. Okay, by how is this fruit classified? And you will say, sir, it is a simple fruit. It is dry dehiscent. So you'll say the example is a simple dry dehiscent fruit. It is a simple fleshy fruit. It is a simple dry indehiscent fruit. Right? ये तीन categories जो है ना वो important है. Again, I'm telling you, the discussion in both the books is very, very, very limited. Right? So please keep your eyes and ears open of what we are discussing, please. As I said, pericarp does not open at maturity, pericarp opens at maturity, and here pericarp, the entire thing gets divided into small parts called as merocarps. As I said, don't bother about schizocarps at this point of time. Okay, so this is the classification of fruit. Now we'll take up all the individual things, right? अब सबसे पहले simple fleshy लेते हैं हम लोग, right? We'll take up simple fleshy fruits. Okay. The first simple fleshy is a drupe, right? Mostly one-seeded fruits with pericarp differentiated into epi, meso, right? Now, मेरे fleshy है ना, fleshy है, pericarp will be divided. And hard and stony endocarp, हाँ, mango coconut में आया था अपना. Mango and coconut, दोनों में hard and stony. So mango is a drupe, right? No, it's a simple fleshy fruit, right? So mango is a true fruit as well as a simple fleshy fruit, right? Coconut is a drupe, simple fleshy fruit. Walnut is a drupe, simple fleshy fruit. ठीक है? Here, have a look at this. Right now, mango is a drupe here. So you'll have a epicarp, mesocarp, and a endocarp here. ठीक है? The endocarp is hard and stony. Next is berry. One to many seeded. Right? So this is one seeded. Drupe में berry is one to many seeded. Epicarp forms the outer skin. Right now, take an example, maybe you'll try to understand it more better. Tomato, guava, banana, grapes. Right now, do you have an outer skin in all of them? Yes. Middle, thick and fleshy part is the mesocarp. And the membrane-like structure is the endocarp. Right? So, tomato, guava, banana, grapes, they are called as a berry. Berry, इसमें से ज्यादातर पूछा जाता है वो टमाटो is a berry, क्योंकि अगर हम लोग सोलानेसी करेंगे उसमें टमाटो वाला एग्जाम्पल है और फ्रूट बेरी भी आएगा वहां पर. बनाना इज ऑल्सो आस्क्ड एज अ एग्जाम्पल, राइट? ओके. पेपो. नाउ पेपो is a hard walled berry. It's a berry, but it's a hard. I mean, now it has got certain characteristics. It comes from a tricarpillary syncarpous structure. मतलब जो ओरिजिनल फ्लावर है उसमें कितने कार्पल्स है? 3. फ्री है या फ्यूज्ड है? फ्यूज्ड, सिनकार्पस. यूनिलॉक्यूलर, लेकिन वो तीनों एक ही लॉक्यूल बनाएंगे. ककुम्बर, when you cut a cucumber you can see those small seeds attached at different parts, but अंदर से चेम्बर तो एक ही दिखता है ना. It is unilocular, right? And inferior ovary, right? अब see all these terms we have done, right? ना ओवरी सबसे नीचे रहेगा, बाकी सब कुछ ऊपर रहेगा, राइट ना? एपिगाइनस, ठीक है? इंफीरियर ओवरी. हाउ इज इंफीरियर ओवरी डिनोटेड? जी ऊपर लाइन या नीचे लाइन? ऊपर, क्योंकि जी नीचे है. गाइनोशन इज बिलो. ओके. Epicarp forms the skin of the fruit. Now keep the cucumber in the mind, right? Now you peel off the skin of the cucumber, that is your epicarp. Meso and endocarp are fleshy and edible. So the entire meso and endocarp are edible. Sometimes the fruit are bitter in taste, right? Now sometimes the cucumber is a little bitter because they have compounds called as tetracyclic triterpenes, right? The compound present in them is called as tetracyclic triterpenes. The NCERT gives you example of cucumber, the gourd, right? Now all different types of gourd, दूधी बोलते हैं जिसको दूधी आता है, right? Now then you have that तुरई gourd, then you have that अपना bitter gourd is there, Karela is there. All this is gourd family, GOURD, right? Now all of them will be under pepo, right? Watermelon again thick walled structure, right? Now hard walled structure एकदम, the skin is very hard, but अंदर पूरा fleshy part है, ठीक है? So drupe, berry, pepo. Pome develops from syncarpus inferior ovary. इसमें आएगा तुम्हारा apple surrounded by fleshy thalamus. हो गया अपना example ये. So the true fruit lies inside the swollen fleshy edible thalamus. Edible thalamus. Thalamus is eaten. So I told you the part which you throw off right now is actually the fruit part. It is a false fruit or a pseudo carp, right? Apple, pear, they are very favorite examples for pome. Hesperidium, all citrus fruits will come under Hesperidium, right? Develops from multicarpillary, multilocular, right? You've cut a sweet lime or in center से काटेंगे horizontally, so you'll see multiple compartments. That means it is multilocular. Syncarpus fused है, superior ovary, right? ना हम लोग कर रहे हैं simple fruits. Simple fruit is either from a monocarpillary और अगर पॉलीकार्पलरी है तो सिनकार्पिस, राइट ना? वो अगर ओरिजिनल वाला कैरेक्टर याद रह जाएगा तो आगे टाइप्स में ओवरी का टाइप याद करने में प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगा, राइट? एपिकार्प एंड मीजोकार्प आर फ्यूज्ड टुगेदर टू फॉर्म द स्किन और द रिंड ऑफ द फ्रूट, राइट ना? सो द एपी एंड मीजो आर फ्यूज्ड. वो लेदरी पार्ट ओपन अप करेंगे तो दैट थ्रेडी पार्ट इज अटैच्ड इनसाइड, ओके? एंडोकार्प, आई टोल्ड यू इन अ what is orange के अंदर when you open up the orange you have that small slice of orange, right ना? तो slice of orange में जो thin covering होता है ना वो उसका endocarp है, right? और endocarp के अंदर वो juicy छोटे छोटे structures, those are hair like structures which are the juicy part, right ना? See, endocarp projects inwards, वो slice अंदर की तरफ जाती है forming a number of distinct chambers. The juicy unicellular hairs are present on the inner side of the endocarp. ठीक है? So orange and all the citrus fruits will come under Hesperidium. And last में we have a Balayusta. A Balayusta develops from multilocular syncarpus inferior ovary. Very classical example here is a pomegranate, right? Pomegranate. मल्टीलॉक्यूलर सिनकार्पस, देखो सिंपल है तो सिनकार्पस होगा, राइट? इंफीरियर ओवरी. एपिकार्प इज टफ एंड लेदरी. ऑल हैव टेकन द पोमोग्रेनेट हैंड, राइट ना? उसका जो आउटर कवरिंग इज वेरी टफ, वेरी लेदरी, दैट इज द एपिकार्प. एंडोकार्प इज मेम्ब्रेनस. व्हेन यू ओपन अप यू सी दोस कंपार्टमेंट्स, राइट ना? सो दोस कंपार्टमेंट्स आर नथिंग बट योर एंडोकार्प. द पोमोग्रेनेट का इंडिविजुअल पार्ट ना इज द सीड. सो यहां पर द सीड इज एडिबल, right? Seed का जो outer covering है, it is called testa. So in a pomegranate, the testa is juicy, right? The juicy part of the testa is edible part. ठीक है ना? Now this is again a favorite question with the examiners, right? And they'll ask you which part of the pomegranate is edible. So juicy part of the testa, right? Now maybe in the next session we'll do seed. Next week करेंगे तो I'll tell you the entire structure of the seed also, right? The fruit has persistent calyx. Now ये दिख रहा है ऊपर, यहाँ पर ये structure ऊपर दिख रहा है यहाँ पे, that is the persistent calyx. We have done calyx of 3 types. Caducous calyx जो immediately भाग जाता है, deciduous जो करोला के साथ में विदर होगा, and one is persistent चिपकू calyx. ब्रिंजॉल वाला example दिया था. So this is one more example, right? So fleshy fruits में very quickly, right ना? drupe, berry, pepo, pome, hesperidium and Balayustus पे amphisarca भी है आगे classification में, but I have not included amphisarca in the explanation, please, right? list में आएगा तो example आप कर सकते हैं, right? So these are your simple fruits. राइट. सो इन दिस वी हैव डन सिंपल फ्लैशी किया हमने, वी हैव डन सिंपल फ्लैशी. अब बचता है अपना सिंपल ड्राई. उसमें दो है, ड्राई डेहिसेंट, ड्राई इनडेहिसेंट, और फिर एग्रीगेट और, राइट ना. सो we'll take up in the next video for simple dry dehiscent and indehiscent. Okay.